Welcome back to my channel. My name is Marley Babe and I'm back with another video. How I started a business making clothes, and I make custom pieces. So I want to bring you along in my journey of how I make clothes. So once again, this is a new venture for me and I am learning. So just like I told you earlier, I want to bring y'all along so we can learn together. I'm not saying I'm an expert by any means. I didn't go to school fashion designer or make clothes or anything like that. Everything that I do, I taught myself from the good old YouTube that you are watching me on right now. I've watched YouTube videos of different people and I basically learn from them, their techniques, and it's just a learn as you go process. So I want to bring you guys along with me, and right now I'm actually working on a new outfit that I'm making, and this is not my first time making a two-piece outfit, but this is the first time that I'm filming it, so I'm bringing you guys with me, and I'm going to show you what I got going on. So if you give me 1 second, I'll be right back, and I'm going to have a better angle so you guys can see what I'm doing. All right, so me trying my best here for y'all to see what I got going on. So I'm just using this skirt as a I don't know what's the word. I'm using this skirt as a prop, I guess you could say. This is gonna be the size of the skirt that I'm making for my two-piece. So I already I got stuff on it. Anyways, so I already made this cutout. So what you're supposed to do for the most part is like whenever that's my stencil, that's the word I wanted to use, my stencil that I'm using. When you stencil something out, you always have to give yourself like an inch of seam allowance, just for sewing purposes and stuff, so you don't make it too short. So this is what I did. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to cut this out. And then I'm gonna put this on the fabric again, and I'm gonna cut it again so I could duplicate my pattern, because one's gonna be the front and then one is going to be the back. So I will be fast forwarding this part. Just bear with me because I already cut the skirt out. Now I'm working on the top. So I cut out the two sleeves. So now I gotta cut, well, one sleeve. I gotta cut out the other sleeve and then the front and back to the sweater. Alright, so I'm currently doing the top of the two-piece. Still continuing to stay with the 2-inch seam allowance. So like I said, everything that I know is based on just the videos and stuff that I watched on YouTube on how to make clothes. And a lot of the times they say just like use outfits and stuff that you already have as like a stencil for your fabric or your outfit, whatever you're trying to make. Like you should use what you have as a stencil. And I've definitely been doing that. I do make my own stencils sometimes. I have done it, but if I have something in my closet that is similar to what I'm trying to make, I definitely will use that as a stencil for my outfit, because it does kind of make it a little bit easier when it comes to making an outfit if you just use something that you have. Like I said, I never claimed to be, like I said, no, I didn't go to school for this, but learning as I go. And I'm taking you guys with me so you guys can kind of see everything that goes into making an outfit, because I feel like sometimes when you sell stuff, people expect, oops, my bad, didn't mean to do that. I feel like sometimes people expect you to like charge them less, like for your work. And it's just like, but why? But why would you want me to charge you less for my outfit, when it's just like, you know, unlike when you buy from a Fashion Nova or something like that, their prices might be cheaper, but the quality usually be trash. And also too, like, yeah, it's just, sometimes it's the handmade craft makes a huge difference. So yeah. Okay, so I kind of wasn't recording this part, but so like I was saying earlier, sometimes I use outfits that I already have as a stencil for what I'm trying to make. But in this part of the outfit, the front part is completely different than anything that I have. So I did kind of have to stencil it out. My drawing is not the best, but it's gonna do what it's supposed to do, and that is give me my stencil for my fabric. Because as of right now, I kind of didn't have what I needed, so I had to make a stencil. So this is going to be like one side of the shirt, and then this over here is going to be the other side of the shirt. So I'm just going to flip it the other way to get the other side. But yeah, pretty much that's how it's going to go. All right, so I already cut the other side, but so basically what I did was my measurements were a little bit off, just a little bit. So now I have to fix them. Kind of cut them because I cut the front part didn't match the back part. So but yeah, I'm fixing it now, and it doesn't have to be perfect because I am gonna go in and sew these pieces together, so then it's not really going to matter anymore. So all this extra fabric, don't need it. So sorry you're looking better, but I do have to cut some fabric in the front as well. So I'm currently finishing up this outfit so that I can show you guys the finishing product. Wait till y'all see this. Show y'all what we got. I'll be back so y'all can see the fit. So cute. Y'all see the fit? Love it. Love it. Okay? Write a comment. Like my video. And like I said, if you guys want to see more content like this, make sure you guys subscribe so you guys can see my videos and y'all can see my outfits. Y'all can see the clothes that I be making, because it's really, really, really cute. It's giving what it's supposed to give, okay? I wanted to do a cute little Betty outfit, and it's definitely giving what it's supposed to give. Like, yeah. I'm gonna write my handles down below. Make sure that you guys follow me on Instagram. It's Marlee Babe, MARLEE BABEE on Instagram. And then follow my clothing page as well. It's MB Designs, M, and it's ENVY Designs on Instagram. It is linked on my actual Instagram page. If you guys go to my Instagram, it's linked in my bio, so y'all can go check out my clothing page. And yeah, make sure that y'all follow me and, you know, show me some love, like and comment on my stuff, and, you know, shop with me and support my small business. Okay? Don't mind me looking a mess, but I'll see you on the next video. Mwah.